A cleaning company can begin with a vacuum, supplies, insurance, and a customer. Scaling it is harder because the product is not a clean room once. The product is the same standard delivered repeatedly by different people. Residential work usually has higher emotional detail. Customers notice personal objects, preferred products, pets, alarms, and small differences between visits. Scheduling also moves when family plans change. Commercial work may be more standardized and recurring. Offices, clinics, retail stores, and common areas can sign contracts with defined frequencies, scopes, and inspection standards. But a contract is not automatically profitable. Walk the site. Count restrooms, fixtures, floor types, trash points, access time, consumables, security procedures, and the minutes required when the building is occupied. Underbidding creates a slow failure. The team rushes, quality falls, complaints rise, workers leave, and the owner spends every night rescuing an account that was never priced to support the promise. Route density matters here too. Several small accounts in one area can share supervision and travel. A single distant account may look valuable until someone drives 40 minutes each way for a short shift. Labor is the scale constraint. Reliable hiring, background checks where appropriate, training, keys, alarm codes, time tracking, and backup coverage matter more than buying another floor machine. Quality control should be visible. Use room-level checklists, supervisor inspections, issue photos, and response records. The customer should not have to rediscover the same missed area every Monday. Specialization can improve pricing. Medical, industrial, floor care, post-construction, short-term rentals, and regulated environments need different training, equipment, insurance, and procedures. Cash flow depends on payment terms. Workers may be paid this week while a commercial customer pays 30 days later. Growth can increase the payroll gap before it increases cash in the bank. Track labor hours against estimate, inspection failures, customer retention, travel, supply use, and days to payment by account. Revenue alone cannot show which contract is consuming the company. The best starting niche is one you can price accurately and inspect consistently. Once a route retains customers without the owner cleaning every rescue shift, the company has begun to become more than a job.